Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy S22. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S22 and now you want to block ads on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for Google settings. Here's that, select it, and here select all services. And here you just have to look down and you will get the ads setting here. Just select ads and then select delete advertising ID, tab on it, then tab on it again. After that, go back and here the usage and diagnostics, tab on it, and here you must have to disable the setting. Just tab on it and it will be disabled. In this way, you can easily block ads on your phone, but there's the second way. You just have to go back, go for main settings. In main settings, just scroll down and look for security and privacy, select it, and here scroll down again, and here's the more privacy settings, tab on it, and here you will get the both two settings which we have just disabled. You just have to select ads here, and here just select delete advertising ID which we have just deleted. Now go back and here the usage and diagnostics, and here you must have to disable the settings. In this way you can easily block pop-up ads on your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.